3.
C2 plus C3. Can we get it, ma? Yes, what you said, it's correct only.
After that, we can take common so that it will be equal to 1, sir.
Yes, no, that's it. So we can easily prove it. So let us go to the solution. First, write this determinant. Let us take LHS. Determinant of 1 BC. Multiply these. AB plus AC. And the next one 1 CA. BC plus CA. Actually, while writing, taking LHS, you need to write one more step. This is in the question itself. It is there, so that I did not write. So A into B plus C, and the next one is B into C plus A, and the third one is 1 AB C into A plus B. Now expand it. So this result is 1 1 1 first column, and the next one is BC CA AB, and the third column is, what is third column value? AB plus AC, BC plus BA or AB, next CA plus CB or BC. Then what we get it next? So that can be written as here we should add these as you said. So we are going to apply this operation. Applying C3 changed as C3 plus C2. Isn't it, ma? So what's the use of this elementary operation? So we can write this is 1, this is also 1 1. As we are going to change C3, C3 only needs to change as C3 plus C2. C1 C2 remains the same. So this is BC, CA and AB. If you add this, AB plus BC plus AC is CA, right? So AB plus BC plus CA. And the next one also. What do you get the next one? This is BC plus AB. So AB plus BC plus CA. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
AB plus BC plus CA. Similarly, the third one also same. What is the third one? AB plus?
AB plus BC plus CA.
That's it. So in C3, all the elements are same. So we can take common. Then that can be expressed as AB plus BC plus CA. So write AB plus BC plus CA taking common from C3. Then we can write this as 1 1 1. This is BC. Next, what's the next one now? This is CA and AB. The next one is A. This one is taken out, right? So we can write this as
1.
1 1 and 1. So what's the value of this determinant?
0.
AB plus
0.
BC plus CA into 0. Why it is 0?
Because
C1 and
C1
C2 are
and
same.
C3 are identical.
C1 and C3 are identical. That equal to 0. That equal to RHS. So we got the result is therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
C1 and C3 are same or identical. We'll apply this operation. That's it. Then only you can easily get the result. As you said, if you add all the rows, that is also one correct idea, but we'll get 2 times of ABC. 2 only can be taken out. Next, any other idea?
Sir, we can subtract 2 rows.
Okay, ma, we can subtract 2 rows. Still,
And sir, and we can take common of -1.
how?
Sir, I think subtracting we can get.
Yes, ma. That is also one of the method. We can proceed. So here, left side part we have each term element consisting of 2 terms. Right side part we have only 1 term, right? Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we'll try to make it as left side part first. Each element is a single element or 1 term. So how to make it? So let us consider this as a determinant. Let it be taken, or LHS. LHS is determinant of B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y. So as you said, that also can be done. No? We can apply R1 minus R2, or R1 minus R2 minus R3. So we can make it as single terms. But instead of that, if we use this property, so this also can be expressed as when each term, each element in any row or column consists of sum of 2 or more terms, so the determinant can be expressed as, how we can express it?
Sum of 2 determinants.
Sum of 2 determinants, right? So now we are going to do the same. So this is B plus C, this is C plus A, and this is A. Next, this is Q plus R plus P, and P. And the next one is, what's the next one? Y plus Z, Z plus X, and Y. Plus, write the other determinant. B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z. Next, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. It remains same. And the next elements are B, Q, and Y. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We write the property in this bracket now. Since each,
APX,
sorry ma,
APX, det 1, APX. Third row, sir.
yes, ma, right. Thank you.
You have written Y, sir.
Yes, ma, yes, I see. Thanks. So write the property here now. Each element of here we have taken R3. So R3 consisting of sum of 2 terms. So that can be expressed as sum of 2 determinants. Right? Now let us take this as determinant equal to, this is first determinant plus this is second determinant. Let it be take, we can say this and take it as equation 1. Now let us simplify these two separately. So if you consider this delta 1 or determinant, first determinant 1 value is, so we are going to simplify this. So let us use this operation applying R2. R2 changed as R2 minus R3. Is there any use of doing it? No? Why we are applying this? What's the use to apply
We can
this?
eliminate one term, sir.
Yes, that's it. That is only argument. So we can write this as when it is applying an R2, R1 and R3 remains the same. So let us write this is B plus C, this is Q plus R, this is Y plus Z. So we are subtracting C plus A minus A. So it remains C. Here R plus P minus P. Plus P minus P gets cancelled, right? So this is R. And the next one, Z plus X minus X. So plus X minus X gets cancelled. So this is Z. And R3 remains the same. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. So what shall we do next?
R1 minus
R1
R2.
minus R2.
Yes. Again we have to do that. Applying R1 changed as R1 minus R2. Then the determinant value is, what will get it? We are directly subtracting these from R1 minus R2. B plus C minus C. Plus C minus C gets cancelled. So this is B. Here plus R minus R gets cancelled. So this is Q. This is plus Z minus Z cancel.
Y.
Y. The remaining remains same. C, R, Z. And next. What's the next one now? A, P, X. So anyhow, we come to the conclusion, right? We got single terms in each row. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we'll do that same for the next determinant also. So let us go to the next determinant. Second determinant is, what is second determinant? No? So how to make these terms as single terms? The same operations can be done here also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can write applying
R1 minus R3.
R1 minus R3, right? R1 changed as R1 minus R3. So what we get this result then? So R1 is going to change in the sense B plus C minus B. So here plus B minus B gets cancelled. C remains, right? Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, from this, Q plus R minus Q. Q minus Q gets cancelled. Remaining is R. And here also, Y plus Z minus Y. Y gets cancelled. The remaining value is Z. Next, R1 only needs to change. R2, R3 remains the same. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. This is B, Q, Y. So what's the next step?
R2 minus R1.
Again, the second determinants, second row elements, make it as single terms. So applying, tell me, ma'am. R2 changed as
R2 minus R1.
R2 minus R1, right? So the value is R2 only is going to change. So R1 and R3 remains the same. So C, R, Z. C plus A minus C. So plus C minus C gets cancelled, remaining A. Here also R plus P minus R. Plus R minus R gets cancelled. So P is left out. Next, Z plus X minus Z. Z minus Z cancel. So what will get the result? X. Then R3 remains the same. B, Q, Y. Isn't it? So we need to get the
Yes,
answer is 2 times of what is given, ma? So it is given 2 times of determinant ABC, PQR, XYZ. So we should make in this order, ma. ABC, PQR, and XYZ. Right? Yes, ma. What to do?
by interchanging rows,
Interchanging the
sir.
rows. Now, what we are going to interchange? First we need A, right? First element. So here, this is A, this is B. So let us interchange these two. So applying R1, interchanging to R3. Then what we get the result? What's the answer? If we interchange any rows or columns,
APX.
yes, ma'am. This is A, P, X. Next.
CRZ,
CRZ.
Right? Next.
BQY.
Right. So if you interchange any two rows or columns, what's the value of the determinant?
Minus.
The value of the determinant remains same and the sign would be changed. So this is minus. Minus in the sense -1, or right, minus. But still we need ABC in order. So what we have to do now?
Interchange R2, R3.
Yes. Applying R2, interchanging with R3. So the result is, again when we interchange two rows, again the determinant value minus. So this is A, P, X, this is B, Q, Y, and the next C,
CRZ.
Now we got this result, right? So you should write the statement there. Which property we have used? Minus into minus is plus. So this result is delta 2, second determinant value. So A, B, C, P, Q, R, and X, Y, Z. Right? In the same way, we'll go to the next one. Here also ABC we need to make it as we should write in order. So how we can make it in order? What we have to do now?
Interchanging R1.
Interchange R1 and R2.
So R1 and R2 we have to interchange, right? Because A has to come first. So R1 interchanging with R2. So then this result is A,
APX.
X, next
CRZ.
Z, next
BQY.
BQY.
So you should write the statement and we should not forget to write minus. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Again we have to use this one. Applying which can be interchanged now.
R2 to R3.
R2 to R3.
Then this is minus of minus again. The determinant value is A, P, X,
APX.
next
BQY.
next
CRZ.
R, Z. So the answer is what we get this result?
Plus.
Minus of minus plus. So sorry for that. This is first determinant, and this is second determinant in the splitting method. So this is A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Now recall the equation 1. What we have taken equation 1. Therefore, 1 implies determinant equal to determinant 1 plus determinant 2. This is given determinant, LHS part. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this result is determinant of ABC, PQR,
PQR
XYZ.
XYZ.
Plus the next one is also same, ABC,
ABC
PQR,
PQR XYZ.
XYZ. So if you add these two, both are same, right? So we can write 2 times of determinant A, B, C. Sorry, this is P, Q, R, and the next one is X, Y, Z. That's it now. This is RHS, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So right, therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear, ma? Do anybody have the doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. No? What I said now? Which question number?
7.
Sixth one, ma. We are skipping the sixth one because sixth one, 13th one, and 14th one are similar models. So we'll discuss at last. Why I said that we'll discuss the sixth one also at last. After complete these questions, you'll get clear idea. So let us go to the seventh one. So here, when they ask to prove these identities, we should see the left side part as well as right side part. So try to adjust the left side parts as the right side terms. So this is what we are going to use the trick in these questions. So right side part, what we have now in this question? What is the right side part value? RHS.
4a square b square c square.
4a square b square c square. 4 is constant, we'll get it. But we'll try to make the left side part in terms of a square, b square and c square. So first of all, see in this row, is there any common part in this column?
Yes.
In this row and in this row. In these 3 rows, in the first row A is common, in the second row B is common, in the third row C is common, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us
Yes, sir.
take common. So A, B, C are taking common from R1, R2 and R3 respectively. So we get this result is ABC we have taken common. So from the first row, the remaining value is minus A, this is B, and this is C. It shows less than 1 minute. No? If it is complete, we'll continue this question in the next class. And the next one is B is taken common, right? So here A,
Yes, sir.
next
A
minus
minus B